Applying to a PACE program at the University of Winnipeg is a straightforward process, and this video will guide you through each step from start to finish. Whether you're applying from Canada or from anywhere in the world, this walkthrough will help you understand exactly what to expect. Let's begin. Step 1. Visit the PACE website. Start at the University of Winnipeg homepage. At the top of the page, go to Admissions and then choose Professional, Applied, and Continuing Education, also known as PACE. You will be taken to the PACE website. On this website, future students can find important information about programs, admissions, requirements, and fees. To begin your application, click on Future Students, then Admissions, and choose Apply Today. This will bring you to the application options. Step 2. Choose your application path. PACE gives you 3 ways to begin studying. Apply for a full-time program. Apply for a part-time program. Start by taking 1 or 2 individual courses. Choose the option that fits your goals. If you're ready to apply to a full-time or part-time program, click Apply Now. This will take you to the University of Winnipeg admissions portal, where all PACE applications are submitted. Step 3. Create your online account and add your personal details. On the Create Account page, you'll enter your personal information. This includes your full name, your birth date, a valid email address, your home phone or mobile number, your country of residence, your citizenship status. Below this, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Academic Level. Here, make sure to select Professional, Applied, and Continuing Education, PACE. You will also choose the term when you want to start, such as Fall 2026, and then create a password. Once you submit this page, the system may take a minute or 2 to create your account. When it is ready, you will automatically be taken to your application dashboard. Step 4. Select your term, course load, and program on your dashboard. You'll see the information you provided, your citizenship, the academic level you selected, and the term. Next, choose your course load. If you are applying for a full-time diploma program, select full-time. If you are applying for a part-time certificate, select part-time. Then, choose the program you want to apply for from the drop-down list. This list will only show programs that are open for the term you selected. If your preferred program does not appear in the list, that means the program is currently closed for that term or not accepting applications. In that case, you can try selecting a different intake term or check back on the PACE website for future availability. Next, answer the optional question. How did you learn about this program? You can choose options like hot courses, agents, websites, social media, or referral. When you're done, click Save and Continue. Step 5. Add personal information and language details. In this step, you will review and confirm your full legal name, whether you have changed your name, whether you use a preferred name, your gender, your date of birth, your primary language, your second language. Next, you'll answer a key question about English language proficiency. If English is not your first language, you will choose one of these. I have completed an English language test. I have not yet completed an English language test. I am enrolled in an English language pathway program. Other, for example, if you have lived in an English-speaking country long enough to qualify for a waiver. Select the option that applies to you, then click Save and Continue. Step 6. Add contact information and agent question. In this section, you will see that your home address is already added based on the information you entered earlier. Review it to make sure everything is correct. Next, add your emergency contact, such as a family member or trusted friend. Below that, you will see the question, are you applying through an agent or educational consultant? If you are applying on your own, select No. If you are working with a certified partner or agent, select Yes and fill in their information. When everything looks accurate, click Save and Continue. Step 7. Add your educational background. Now you will enter your previous education history. Start by selecting your highest level of education, such as bachelor's degree, master's degree, diploma, or certificate. Next, enter details about your post-secondary institution. Name of the university or college, city and country, years attended, graduation date, GPA or grading scale used at your school. If your school does not appear in the drop-down list, don't worry. You can manually type the name of your institution and add it to the system. If you have work experience, you can enter that as well, but this step is optional for many programs. Click Save and Continue when finished. Step 8. Complete the applicant declaration. Here, you will review the program policies, confirm all statements, agree to the declarations, provide an electronic signature and today's date. This step is important because your application cannot move forward without completing the declaration. Step 9. Pay your application fee. After signing the declaration, your dashboard will update. Your application status will now show action required. Click View and you will see the application fee payment section. PACE application fees are $150 for international students, $50 for domestic students if applicable. You can pay using credit card, online, Flywire for international applicants. Please note, your application will not be assessed until your fee has been paid. Processing of your payment may take up to 3 business days. Step 10. Upload your supporting documents. Once your fee is paid, return to your dashboard. Under the top navigation bar, look for the section called Additional Items and Documents. This is where you will upload every required document for your application. The list may include your resume, post-secondary transcripts, proof of graduation or degree certificate, proof of English language proficiency if required, copy of your passport, proof of citizenship or PR if applicable, letter of intent if requested, port of entry letter only for applicants already in Canada. Click Choose File, select the correct document, and then click Upload. Once uploaded, you will see the status change to Received. Upload each document one at a time until all required items show as complete. Step 11. Track your application status. You can log into your account anytime to check your progress. Your status may move through different stages such as Are Submitted, Action Required, Review in Progress, Decision Made, Offer. If the admissions team needs more information, you will see new instructions appear under Additional Items and Documents. When your application has been fully reviewed and approved, your status will change to Offer and you will receive an email with your next steps. Final recap of all steps. Here is a quick recap of everything we covered. Step 1. Visit the PACE website through the University of Winnipeg homepage. Step 2. Choose whether you are applying to a full-time program, part-time program, or individual course. Step 3. Create your account and enter your personal details, choosing PACE as your academic level. Step 4. Select your term, course load, and program. Step 5. Enter your personal information and language proficiency. Step 6. Review your home address, add an emergency contact, and answer the agent question. Step 7. Enter your education history. Add your school manually if it does not appear. Step 8. Review policies and complete the applicant declaration. Step 9. Pay your application fee to move your application forward. Step 10. Upload all required documents under Additional Items and Documents. Step 11. Track your application status until a final decision is made. Applying to PACE is designed to be simple and accessible. With this guide, you should now feel confident completing every step of the application process. If you need help at any point, the PACE team is here to support you.